Two workers were carefully unloading a large, heavy item from the back of a pickup truck. They managed to slide it toward the edge, preparing to set it down, but as the weight shifted, the balance was lost. The load tipped forward unexpectedly and crashed to the ground, ending the job in seconds. While no one was hurt, the sudden drop showed just how quickly stability can disappear when handling heavy cargo. Always plan the unloading process before lifting, and use proper equipment or additional help for oversized loads. Keeping control of the weight from start to finish is the key to safe material handling. A truck was fully loaded with large styrofoam blocks, stacked high and secured with ropes. But due to an issue, possibly heat, friction, or another small ignition source, the top layer of blocks suddenly caught fire. Workers rushed toward the truck, quickly trying to untie the securing straps in hopes of saving at least part of the load. They pulled and struggled as the flames spread rapidly, but the styrofoam burned too quickly. Within moments, the fire had engulfed the entire stack, leaving nothing to salvage. It was a costly disaster that unfolded in a matter of minutes. When transporting highly flammable materials, extra precautions are essential. Proper fire-resistant coverings, secure storage, and avoiding heat sources can prevent an entire load from being lost in seconds. With such materials, prevention is always the best defense. A worker was carefully untying securing straps from a load of stacked blocks inside a truck. As he loosened the wires, the balance of the load shifted unexpectedly. Without warning, several blocks slipped and tumbled down, landing right where the worker was standing. The sudden movement caught everyone by surprise, highlighting how unstable loads can become during unloading. Before untying or moving any secured load, always ensure the area is clear and the cargo is properly supported. Shifting loads can be unpredictable, so taking extra precautions keeps everyone safe on site.